In this video, we're going to show you how to run a campaign from beginning to an end using Keepface platform. Once you log in into your brand panel, click on Create Project. Name your project. If you're a company and you have registered several of your brands, then select the brand for which you're going to run the campaign for. If the brand will collaborate with the influencers, then select Influencer Marketing Project. Now, the brand will have to specify the project a little bit more. Name your campaign. Enter what type of content you want to publish. Select on which platforms you want to run your campaign on. Set beginning and end dates for your campaign. Define your concept on brief section. Write down do's and don'ts list. Upload a sample content. Now, there are two ways to add influencers on a campaign. The first way is selecting influencers manually from the Keepface database. Another way is attaching influencers from a previously created lists. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be adding influencers from a previously created list. Set the amount of content you want to be published. Also write down your budget. At this point, when the brand will click on Submit Campaign, they will be officially requesting to start running the campaign. Please wait now for one of our project managers to approve your project. Once project managers will approve the project, the campaign will be activated. Once the campaign will be activated, influencers will receive the campaign request email sent by the Keepface platform. The email will include brief information as well. When the influencer will sign in, they can see the campaigns they have been invited to by clicking on Projects. Here, they can check out the brief. They can check out the content sample. And if the influencer decides to accept the brand's campaign request, they will click on Apply. If the influencer will decide to turn down the brand's campaign request, they will click on Reject. Influencers can also negotiate for the budget. Brands will receive the influencer's budget offer and they can negotiate even further. Influencer will receive brand's budget offer on their own panel. If the influencer is satisfied with the budget, they will click Approve. If the influencer will turn down the offer, they will click Reject. Influencers can also further negotiate by clicking on Budget Offer. Now, the influencer can send the content for approval once it is ready. When the content will be ready, the influencer will send it to the brand for approval. Brands can approve or reject the content depending on its suitability. Once the brand will approve the project, Now, the influencer can start posting the content on the selected platforms. Finally, when the influencer will post the approved content, they will send the link to the brand. As of now, the brand's campaign has been launched on social media.